my idea was going camping. Jeff, why would we go camping when we could just stay in the daycare? Like, look at me. I'm balancing on moose milk. I got a tent and everything. Jeff, you know camping at nighttime is like super scary, right? You're gonna go camping across the street. How would you? Oh, food. Nice. What's this? Yeah. Up. She's gonna do it. Okay. All right. Where do these trees come from? Up, and away we go! Yay! This is what you consider camping? This wasn't me. This is camping. There's not even a fire. Are you up there? Very nice. Very nice. Oh, it's echoing. I hear loud eating sounds, and I hear a lot of spooky noises. I hear heavy breathing. Ah, it's Brick Boss! Brick Boss! What happened, buddy? I'm just gonna slowly drink some moose milk. Spirit ghost! No! Jeff, I don't know about that place, man. It's pretty haunted. I don't want any part of that. Just saying, dude. It's pretty spooky, man. Welcome to the Daycare! Yo, what's going on, man? How's everybody doing? Whoa! What's over there? What's this? Oh, check this out, man. Yo, last time we were here, man, this building was completely haunted, and that's actually where we went to camping at. It's a little bit of a flashback. But anyways, let's see what my boy Jeff the Moose is doing today, man. And let's see, maybe Moosina's here, and then Brick Boss. But Brick Boss was actually a ghost last time, so I'm not really sure, man. I don't know, man. Hi, Jeff. What? Jeff? Jeff, what are you doing? Hey! What's this do? Click. Yay! Ah, Jeff, chill, relax. What is going on here, Jeff? Stop! Jeff, where's everybody at? Oh, Brick Boss is a ghost. I forgot about that. And same with Jafina. Yo, where are they all at, dude? I'm working. Dude, did you bring Jafina and Brick Boss and Moosina back to life for like whatever they are, like back to normal? We gotta go back. Go back where? Back to the future. Jeff, you tell me this every single time. What do you mean back to the future? Where are we going? What kind of future? AKA MooseRoleplays lab. Oh, okay. Wait, why are we going back there? We're Daycare, though. What's the point of that? We're going to the MooseRoleplays laboratory on the MooseRoleplays YouTube channel. You mean the one right over here on the screen? Subscribe to the bell. Sorry, plug. What's up? Sorry. All right, so Daycare, Schmaycare, who cares? What? But what about Brick Boss and the other guys? How about those dudes, huh? And Moosina, remember CPMs? Wait, I thought you started Daycare because you were... I thought you became a teacher for Daycare because of the CPMs. So now you're going back to the place where the CPMs killed you, and... That makes no sense at all! Yes, no, well... You just want to see MooseRoleplays, don't you? That's what you want to do. You just want to plug yourself. I see how it is. Well, don't question my logic. Okay, Jeff, let me see what you got over here, man. You got, wow. Another portal with a bunch of potions and stuff connected to it. Okay, nice technology, some programming. Okay, all right. Get some more. If you touch a single thing, what? I'm not gonna touch nothing, dude. A little bit of buttons. Okay, very nice. Pretty good. I gotta say, it will be the last thing you do. Oh, and notes. MooseCraft is the best. MooseCraft is awesome. How do I become MooseCraft? Ow, chill. Ow, relax, man. I was just messing around, bro. Take a joke, man. Take a joke. Okay, Subscribe to MooseCraft. Subscribe to MooseRoleplays. Hey, stop it. Hey. Come on, man. I'm just... No plugs. Jeff Smells. Buy my merch. Leave like... Ah, stop it. Hold on. There's one more. There's one more thing left. I didn't even say anything. That's not fair. Now I have to kill you back for that. Hey, stop. Stop it. No. Okay. Follow It's MooseCraft on Twitter and Instagram. Oh, I got all the plugs out. Okay, so let's see what else we got over here, man. Ooh, so this is how Jeff's brain looks like. There's nothing there. That makes sense. Okay. Got some gas canisters. Okay. Very nice. And what else do we got? Let's see. Jeff, stop killing me. It's annoying, bro. Seriously, stop. Oh, what'd I say? You want to go? You want to play this game? I don't think so. Okay. It is the next room of your head. Jeff, okay, whatever you said. All right, then we have the globe. We got this thing. Ooh, 2 + 2 = fish. Wow, Jeff, you're a scientist, aren't you? Is that how you get a degree, dude? Awesome. And that's about it. So what does this do? How do you make this work? What do you click on? I got my degree from Jeff University. Stop! Hey, stop it! I told you to stop. What are you doing? How do you make this thing work? I watched you, dummy. What? Okay, make the laboratory thing. Make the portal through to the laboratory, man. Don't touch nothing. I won't touch nothing. Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, we're good. So, how do you choose a destination? Isn't this supposed to be like so it's a time machine, right? You need to yell and pray to the moose milk gods. I want some moose milk. Very nice. No, dummy. What do I do? Huh? Oh, gee, Jeff, I don't think it's a good idea, man. Don't ask for moose milk. What should we ask for? Huh? What am I asking for? The portal. Moose milk gods, we need a portal with some moose milk. Yeah! Very nice. Very nice. So, yeah, it's kind of lame, you know. I activate. Oh, okay, well, so how do you select the laboratory? Wait. So if this is yell and jump and you hold on, Jeff. Wait a minute. Let me use my scientific knowledge. So this is a time travel machine, right? I use my computers and chemicals. So technically, we don't have to go to Moose Mods. We can go anywhere we want, right? Anywhere we want. Okay. But, okay, chill. Okay, fine. We're going to Moose Mods, I guess. Okay, fine. It's kind of buggy. Hey, go ahead, Jeff. Activate it. Hey, Moose Milk guys! I want some Moose Milk and I want my portal to work! Yell and jump and activate. I'm yelling and I'm jumping. Hey, yeah! I don't know what you just did, but I'm very confused myself, honestly. Jeff, are you sure this doesn't take us to the nether? Are you 100% sure? 100% sure. Blech. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, 200% sure minus 150. Okay, let's go after you, Jeff. Hey, yeah! Jeff! Oh, breakfast! Jeff? Where am I? Oh! Ah! Jeff! Get me out of here, man! Jeff! I can't get out! Wait! Ow! What was the point of that? What was the point of that, huh? Are you kidding me? I landed safely in the water tower. Oh, man, this guy. Okay, so now we're here. Welcome to the day of Moose Mods. Yo, the water tower's looking amazing, man. So what's going on, guys? I guess we're on the Moose Mods Laboratory now. Awesome. If you guys don't know what the Moose Mods Laboratory is, go check out the Moose Mods YouTube channel, man. That's where we do all of our crazy modded survival stuff every single day. Well, not modded survival, but crazy mod showcases. What's this? What's that? Wait. Is this why you brought me here? Food. Jeff! Are you kidding me? Last time we messed with this man, he destroyed the whole entire world. And you brought me here for this? This dude. I wasn't here. Oh my God. Jeff, you're crazy, man. If you guys didn't know, a really long time ago, when Jeff was at the laboratory because he was terrified. Yeah, that's right. He was terrified. He gave me these buckets to mess with. And it destroyed the world. So now what are we doing? Are we like supposed to be running from this stuff? I don't want to die. They are Gucci. Are you sure about that? Huh. Oh, I got powers. Yay! Okay, don't worry, we're in virtual reality. Jeff, that doesn't make any sense. He took us to a pole and took us to the middle of nowhere. So what if I do one of these? What if I do one of, how about I do, void or black hole? Black hole! It's all a dream. Jeff, are you sure about that? I placed it down. It looks like, oh, that does not look like a dream, man. This looks bad. What are you? Oh, it's eating bedrock. How's that possible? It's eating bedrock. Why am I? Jeff, help! Oh my God, Jeff! Jeff, help! Jeff! I'm being sucked in! Jeff, help me out! Yup, Jeff, are you kidding me right now? Help me out, bro! Dude! Jeff, come on. Help me out. Help. You are on your own. Jeff, there is no I team. Jeff, if you don't help me out, I'm telling you right. It's eating my food. It's eating my food. Help! Jeff! What'd I say? I gave you one job. If you don't help me, I'm going to turn this place off, man. I'll do it, man. That's it, Jeff. Two can play this game. two can play this game. Up! Up! Ah! And this is exactly why we can't have any nice things, because Chef decides that he's not going to help me out. And then the whole place gets destroyed because he's like, oh, don't worry about it, man. You know, it's going to be 100% fine. Nothing bad's going to happen. And then the world's gone. Always my fault, typical. You're the one that says it's going to work, but then you don't even test it out yourself, and then it breaks things. I went there. Yeah, I went there. Oh, I went there, bro. You know what? I got you. Here, enjoy. Here you go, man. Enjoy your frozen bucket. You want it, dude? Hey, man, don't forget, you can test them all out, bro. You're a professional at testing things out, right, Jeff? Oh, actually not breaking things. Pretty surprised right now. Oh, very nice. There you go, Jeff. Enjoy, buddy. So the black hole bucket was a terrible idea, man. Very, very bad idea. So what would happen if we used the tsunami bucket? Oh, that's what's going to happen. Okay, my bad. That was not good. That was not a good idea. Yeah, so let's go to the top of the moose bars. Now we got an ocean. Don't worry, Jeff. Listen, dude, you're a professional. You said it's safe to use, and I've used it. But it's not safe at all. You were kind of wrong. But you get the point, man. All right, I'm out of here. I am getting out of here, dude. Everything I make is safe. Are you serious right now? Every time we do a moose bar, things blow up and get destroyed. But there we go. Wow, the whole place is flooded. That's pretty convenient. Look at that. Bro, it looks kind of cool, actually. Looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good. Awesome. Okay, so what if I use a paint bucket? I want to try that. Did you just say convenient? What do you mean? Yeah, it's convenient. Oh, no. Like you need a dictionary? Oh, no. Jeff, I used the paint one. That's the one that causes a lot of problems. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, nope. Jeff, nice. Jeff, it seems like things are getting destroyed really badly. Oh, is that supposed to happen? Aren't you like a scientist? You should know this stuff, right? Jeff? That ain't looking so good. Oh! Help! I don't know nothing. Our world is getting alive, bro. Oh my God, Jeff! There's a giant earthquake thing over there, and now I can't even get out of here. Okay, this is not good. To the water tower! Jeff, come on. Hurry up. Get over here. Stop flying around, you nub. Come here. Build a bridge to the water tower. Be useful. Hurry up. Build a bridge. Come on. Why are you always in creative mode, man? This guy don't even care, dude. I'm out of here. Come on, let's go. Oh, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. The daycare is probably going to be gone very, very soon, honestly. And the Moose Mouse laboratory is already gone. Oh, it's going for my house. Lag. Jeff, just keep on building. It's getting closer. Jeff, it's getting closer, bro. Hurry up. Build. It's going to hit us. Oh, well, we are doomed. We are 100% doomed. And we're probably going to die. Well, times like this, we better run. Hey, holy lag! Not only is it causing an earthquake, but it's causing the world's biggest lag spike ever. I can't even swim anymore. The world is destroyed. Why us? Why? Jeff, this was the worst idea ever. I'm frozen still. You see, Jeff? This is what happens, man. Jeff decides it's a good idea to mess with this thing. It's totally 100% safe. Of course. And now, we're in the middle of nowhere. The world's gone, and we can't get back to the daycare, okay, because we don't have a time-traveling machine, so we're in a bad position, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you all did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and sound the bell. And that way, that will help us get back to the daycare. Well, Jeff, I'll let you be, buddy. Enjoy your little thing over there. Oh, that was going to work. I thought it was going to... You know what? Oh, hold up. I got you. There we go. Perfect. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video, Jeff, and everybody else. You thought you nub. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, wait. You want to go, Jeff? You want to go, buddy? Huh? Oh, I got you, man. How about this? I got you. Jeff, I got you, man. You know, you really want to help me out, so I do appreciate you, dude. You're my best friend ever. Come here, buddy. Come right over here. There we go. Come right here, Jeff. I got you, dude. Here you go, bro. Here you go, Jeff. Enjoy, buddy. Enjoy. Hey! Enjoy, buddy. Hey! Now you know how I felt, bro. Oh, it's flying away. Oh, what in the... Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!